Hey, we've got a 1958 Smith Corona electric for you today. This is in beige and it's in great condition. It looks fantastic and very little wear and tear on it. These are going to be fantastic typewriters for somebody who just needs something that's going to work for them every day. So, and even it's good even for beginners, to be honest, if you want to, you're just getting new to or getting started out with typewriting, but you want something that's nice and classic, and it's going to last you a long time. Smith Corona Electric is a good one for you. There's the newer electrics that I love for beginners as well from the 60s and 70s, but the 50s just have that really fantastic body shape for a typewriter. This is considered portable, however, it does need to be plugged in to an outlet. No, there's no such thing as batteries or chargers on typewriters, so just keep that in mind if you want to use this for portability. Just make sure you are near a outlet somewhere. Okay, so while it's electric, it has a manual return carriage, so you just press in the handle to advance it a line, and you can do 1, 2, or 3 lines right here, depending on your preference. If you want to set the margins, press these tabs down and slide them. Okay, this one goes up. This is a paper holder, keeps your paper from flopping over. And then your carriage release is behind your handles, and you just pull those in, and the carriage will move as far as you have the margins set, okay? Also, to release your paper, this little tab on the right will release the tension down here so you can straighten out your paper in case it's crooked. All right, let's go ahead and keep this carriage all the way to the left because I'm going to open up the top part of the typewriter so we can take a look inside. Just so you know, on electric typewriters, once you open, if the motor happens to be running and you pop the top open, it will automatically stop the motor. Inside, you can see the escapement here, and then you can see where we've put in a universal ribbon. This does take both black and red combo. You can put a solid black in here if you want, and you just pop them in and out. Very easy to change out these ribbons. Just as I always say, make sure you pay attention to how they're threaded through the guide wires. You can take a look at our photos on our Etsy shop if you need to reference how to thread your ribbon in your typewriter. Okay, so to close, first of all, nope, I think I got everything. Okay, let's just go ahead and close that. That pops closed. Here's your ribbon reversal. In case it doesn't auto reverse, you do it there. Your ribbon is going to last you a long time, but you'll get to the end, and if you see your font getting faint or if your typewriter locks up on you, just reverse the direction. You should be able to use this ribbon back and forth multiple times before all the ink is gone. Your color selector is over here on the side. Red, stencil, blue is on top, red is on bottom. Not blue, what am I saying, black. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh, by the way, your tab is right here, and you can clear and set. Let's move it all the way back. Let's clear and set down here. This is your backspace button, and this is your margin release. If you're new to typewriters, what a margin release is, when you get to the end of your line, it's just going to stop. It doesn't matter if you're in the middle of your word or not, the carriage will stop. You can hit the margin release to finish your word. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this on and do some typing. And you can see that I got it crooked, so I'm just going to pull this lever on the right and straighten this out. And then put it back so it has the tension. All right, let's go ahead and type on this. And I love the feel of these keys. They're flat and thin, and they're just so easy to type on. I actually personally have this exact model. This is what I use to do my writing on. So while typewriters are very popular among the younger generations, this is actually going to be a great one for beginners and young kids. So manuals, I think, are a little more fun, but this and electrics sometimes do everything for you. I think this is a nice in-between where it has the look and feel of the 50s, the mid-century modern, so it looks very much vintage, but it has the ease of an electric typewriter. Oops. Also, if you're a fast typist, this is electrics, like this one is good for you too. Let's straighten that back out. Let's test out the red. Okay, this types very well. This makes me want to keep typing. It's a great typewriter. Again, in terms of mechanically, for this particular typewriter, it gets an A. It's in excellent condition. The visually, it's in very good condition as well. If you're trying to decide what kind of typewriter you want, and you're just watching this to see how they work, Smith Corona Electrics have to be one of the easiest typewriters to use, and they're just made really well. They're gonna last you. They're good workhorse typewriters. So hope you liked this. Hope this was helpful. Be sure to visit, click the link in our description below to see this on our Etsy shop, and be sure to like and follow. Thanks so much. Have a great day.